Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made these stunning designer-inspired vases for free. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY, budget-friendly and trendy home decor ideas. First, I mixed some plaster of Paris with white acrylic paint. As you can see, it should be nice and creamy. Then I covered the vases completely with this mixture. I did 3 coats, letting each layer dry before adding the next. This vase is old and I found it in my house and I didn't like it. That's why I tried to transform it. And this one is from Dollar Tree. I bought it last year or maybe 2 years ago. And this one is from Dollar Tree too, and I already had it at home. I did 3 coats and they're completely dry. So I sanded them lightly to make it nice and smooth. Then I used decorative wax to give the vases an aged, natural look. I applied the wax all over. And then wiped off the extra with a paper towel until I got this beautiful texture finish. As you can see, 2 of these vases were from Dollar Tree, and one was an old purple vase I had at home. I didn't spend any money. I already had my decorative wax, plaster, and acrylic paint at home. You don't need to spend a lot of money to have a trendy home. You just need a little creativity and some inspiration. I love how they turned out, so unique and stylish. If you enjoyed this transformation, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Let me know in the comments which vase is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time!